Adventures in the City. Introduction. Adventures in the City is an enchanting book that takes young readers on a captivating journey through a vibrant city alongside the adventurous protagonist, Emily. As Emily and her family move to the city, readers will be immersed in the excitement and wonder of her new surroundings. Through the vivid descriptions and relatable experiences, they will join Emily in exploring bustling streets, making new friends, and discovering the hidden treasures the city has to offer. This engaging book not only sparks the imagination but also teaches valuable lessons of adaptability, curiosity, and embracing new experiences. With relatable characters, accessible language, and an engaging storyline, Adventures in the City is the perfect choice for young English language learners at the beginner level. It encourages readers to embrace the joy of exploration and celebrates the beauty and diversity of city life, leaving them inspired to embark on their own adventures. Chapter 1. A New Place. Once upon a time, there was a young girl named Emily. She moved to a big city with her family. Everything was new and exciting to her. She couldn't wait to explore her new surroundings. Chapter 2. Exploring the Streets. One sunny day, Emily decided to take a walk around the city. She strolled down busy streets, looking at tall buildings and colorful shops. She saw people from all walks of life, each with their own story. Chapter 3. A Friendly Encounter. As Emily walked along, she noticed a friendly dog wagging its tail. She bent down to pet it, and the dog licked her hand. It made her smile and feel welcome in her new home. Chapter 4. Discovering a park in the distance. Emily spotted a beautiful park. She followed the sound of children laughing and playing. There were swings, slides, and a big green field. Emily joined in the fun and made new friends. Chapter 5. Trying new foods. Emily's family loved trying different types of food. They visited a local market and tasted delicious treats from around the world. From spicy tacos to sweet pastries, they savored each bite. Chapter 6. Making memories. Emily and her family made lasting memories in the city. They visited museums, attended concerts, and explored famous landmarks. Every day brought a new adventure. Chapter 7. Saying goodbye. After some time, Emily's family had to move again. Although she was sad to leave, she knew she would cherish the memories of her time in the city forever. Conclusion. Adventures in the City taught Emily that new experiences and places can be exciting and filled with surprises. It reminded her to embrace change and make the most of every opportunity. Difficult words. Strolled, to walk in a leisurely or relaxed manner. Surroundings, the objects, people, or things that are present in one's environment or immediate area. Exciting, causing great enthusiasm or eagerness, thrilling or stimulating. Spot, to see or notice someone or something, usually unexpectedly or by chance. Delicious, having a pleasant or savory taste, very enjoyable to eat or drink. Memories, recollections or thoughts of past events or experiences. This is a short reading book created specifically for beginner-level English students. The language and vocabulary used are simple and suitable for learners at that level.